Here in Finland, most of our land is untouched and our air and waters untainted. Very few places still exist that can make that claim. Since as far back as we can trace, living in harmony with nature has been a part of our culture. Nature cares for us and sustains us. It lightens our stress. It gives us a beautiful place to enjoy our friends and family, and a quiet place to listen to our thoughts. Every day, we make a promise to continue taking care of nature and hope that it will continue taking care of us. The purity of our environment is so important to the Finnish people. It inspires every aspect of our lives, including our vodka. So much so, it's as if Finlandia itself is a gift from nature.